Bismillah. And this is the restaurant. This is where we'll be having food, inshallah. It's a big one. It can seat at any time up to 250 people, as we were told. And we'll be able to see that, inshallah. So this part is the smaller one, will be seated by the woman, inshallah. And then there is the big part. There are also toilets there on both sides. And now there are people who are serving food. Also there are seats that are not used at this time because there are not as many people as there should be. And there is where they serve food, the open buffet, where you can go and get your own food. Yes. And there it is. Very nice, very clean.